morning, Frugal Pilots, and welcome to FBNN. Today is the 6th day of April, and today is the 140th day of school. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Crystal.
I hope you like snow cones. Stay tuned for this.
Do you need some tips? More on this later.
Now to Dayton for the pledges.
Please stand for the pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now for the root bill pledges. I can be responsible, respectful, and resourceful with everything I do and say today.
Thanks, Dayton.
Now it's time for Math Trivia. The number to call on your screen is 50612. Today we'll be answering caller number 1.
The question is, what are the factor pairs of 12? I repeat, what are the factor pairs of 12?
Hello, whose class is this?
Miss Athos,
Who's speaking?
Keller,
How are you doing, Keller?
what?
How are you doing?
Good.
Do you have the correct answer?
Yes.
What is it?
6 and 2, 1 and 12, and 3 and 4.
The answer is 1 and 12, 2 and 6, and 3 and 4.
Now to Chef Lisa. What's for lunch today?
Today we'll be having pancakes with omelet or sausage, hot Italian sub, Caesar salad, tater tots, grape tomatoes with dip, apple slices, raisins, and grape juice. Arrgh!
Thank you, Chef Lisa. That sounds scrumptious. The AR party is this Friday, April 8th. It begins at 2 o'clock for all winners. 3 through 5 will go to the cafeteria to pie Mr. French, and the K through 2nd will go to the Kona Ice Truck. Then at 2:30, the two groups will switch.
Let's review some test tips. Test tip number 1. Turn negative thoughts into positive thoughts. Instead of dwelling on I can't, try turning these statements into I can.
Test tip number 2. Practice deep breathing. Practice putting a hand on your stomach, filling all the way up with air, and fully letting the air out.
Test tip number 3. Organize your body in a testing position. Practice in your classroom having an alert body with good posture at your desk. Notice how there is more energy in your body when you set up.
Test tip number 4. Even when you think you know the answer, read all the choices anyways. Make sure you don't miss anything. When you are finished, go back and check your answers. Breaking news. Tomorrow at 8:45 after the news, the yearbook club needs to go to Miss Kane's class to take a picture.
Yearbooks are still on sale till Monday, April 11th.
Now for the quote of the day. Today's quote is, "You're never too old to wish upon a star." Now to Mr. French for some special announcements.
All right, good morning. When you wish upon a star, right? They think we're in Disney. So, no, it's not Miss Hannah today. It's Wednesday with Mr. French, and I just have a couple of quick announcements. So thank you for everybody for doing a great job. Continue to do what a wonderful job. We still may have a few pink signs on the campus today, so if you see a pink sign that says there's testing, we only have a few. Please make sure you kind of avoid those areas, or if nothing else, be quiet. So we have some people doing some makeups other than that. And then next week, we'll be doing some more FSA with our 5th graders who are ready. No problem. I'm not even worrying about them. I'm not even going to go around and see you guys, you 5th graders. You are old pros at this. You've been through this. No problems. You'll get ready. Next Tuesday will be your day, all right? It is going to be a wonderful Wednesday. One thing I want to announce real quickly is, boys and girls, in the morning time, I see some people that are out near the K1 playground playing with the balls and basketball. That is not the right time to play with that. So please, if you see balls, you can do Mr. French a favor, and you can put them in the bucket that's right there on the stage, okay? but it's not a good time to play. We need to get to class, get to breakfast, do all kinds of fun things, not be playing with the basketball at that time. I know it's tempting. If I was out there and I saw a ball, I would want to shoot as well. So please, if you do, just put the ball away. That way it helps everybody out. And if you happen to be somebody who's playing after school, please make sure, which we don't have too many, but if you're just one of those ones you see balls out there in your after school, put them in the bucket. It'll just help everybody, okay? It is a great new addition to Fruitville, and I just want to keep it that way, and I don't want teachers to get upset because where are their kids? They're playing basketball. No, we need to be learning. So that's just Mr. French's deal, okay? Everybody have a wonderful Wednesday. It's going to be great. As always, the choice is yours. Back to my great anchors. Great job.
Thanks, Mr. French. FVNN Club meets today. And thank you for watching another outstanding episode of FVNN. I'm Crystal.
And I'm Olivia.
We can have a wonderful Wednesday. See you tomorrow.